So we're going to play a game of chess. This game here, created by John CHEKMO in late in the 70s. You can see here a timestamp 274. That's when the code was written. And this is the listing of that chess game. And later on in different video segments, we will actually play this game. Here is the view of the actual PAL8 assembler code. John used this language to create this chess game. See you in the next segment when this game is actually playing. So I compiled the chess game written in PAL8 assembly language offline, and I loaded it into the PDP, into the digital PDP 8E. And now that I loaded the tape in there, I'm going to start the programmable data processor at address 200. I load the address, I flip this switch up, and I go clear, continue to start the chess game. Let's play a round of chess. Checkmo 2 is running and ready to take our commands to play chess. So the way we do this is we type on the teletype, we type in the moves. And the first move we play white is E2, E4. Now I'm playing black as well, and we type in E7, E5. And now white is on the move D2, D4. Black will move B8, C6. And white will move C1 to E3. Now this is as close as it gets with a real PDP-8 and a real ASR33 teletype. Of course, this is not real, this is just a simulation, but the game is real, I promise. It's really a very, very good chess game. We moved on a couple of moves, and we're almost at the end of the game now. The last move was black, C5, E4. White moves E1, E4. Black moves E8, E4. White moves D2, E4. Black moves A8 to B8. think so, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. E8 to B8. So let's get that rook into play. And white moves G3, G3, A3. No, shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have done it. Now black moves in. Oh no. H4 to E1. Check. And checkmate. Well, there you got it. Checkmo 2, playing Checkmo 2 in ending checkmate. Black gets white checkmate. A real true chess game on the programmable data processor called PDP-8/E. In the next section, I show the graphic representation of this match. Thank you for watching. Back in this segment, I'm showing actually the graphic representation of the match that we played on the PDP-8E, the chess game Checkmo 2, written by John Comel in the late 70s. The game was written in PAL8 assembly language, and the graphic representation is just to demonstrate the power of this game that was written in a old assembly language, and here we represent the game in graphic. You can see we replicate all the moves of the previous segment, and in in this representation I'm speeding up the game, and you see how the moves develop, how pieces black is actually getting the upper hand at this point. We move on, and obviously black has now made white checkmate. You see the queen moves in to A, B, C, D, E1, and the white king is checkmate. Thank you for watching.